And in the big development today, the man of the hour, Nitin Nabin, is set to take the command of BJP any moment now, in a movement that is signaling a generational shift at the very top. The 45-year-old Bihar MLA, Nitin Nabin, has been elected as the new president of the BJP, ushering in what the party calls a new chapter of leadership and organizational renewal. The announcement comes after a day-long nomination process at the BJP headquarters where Nabin stood as the sole candidate for the post. 37 sets of nomination papers were filed in his favor, sealing his unopposed rise to the party's highest organizational office. Nitin Nabin, before filing, as he's all set to take BJP's command, he went to offer prayers at Delhi's Jhandewala Temple, Hanuman Temple in CP, and Bangla Sahib in Delhi, as well as today is his big day where he assumes office at the BJP headquarters as the national working president of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Declaring the result yesterday, Rajya Sabha MP K. Lakshman, the returning officer for the BJP's internal elections, said that after the withdrawal window closed, Nitin Nabin was the only name proposed for the post of the BJP national president, formally confirming his election. The process to elect the new president was initiated after 30 of the BJP's 36 state units completed their internal elections, crossing the mandatory threshold and expanding the electoral college, a move that underlined the party's emphasis on organizational legitimacy. Nitin Nabin had already been appointed National Working President on December 14, following an 18-month-long search. Yesterday's election only formalized what had become evident in the leadership baton is being passed to a new generation. The nomination papers carried the signatures of the party's biggest names, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Minister J.P. Nadda, Rajnath Singh, and Amit Shah, along with Chief Ministers such as Yogi Adityanath, Pema Khandu, Bhupendra Patel, and Pramod Sawant, reflecting a rare across-the-board consensus. With no challenger in fray, Nabin was elected unanimously and is set to formally assume charge today, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi also expected to be present at the ceremony. A meeting of the BJP National Council is also likely to take place to ratify the decision. One of the youngest national presidents in the BJP's history, Nitin Nabin, brings with him a blend of electoral success, organizational experience, and a legacy. Hailing from Bihar, he entered politics in 2006 after the sudden death of his father, veteran BJP leader Nabin Kishore Prasad Sinha. Stepping into the electoral arena even before completing his engineering degree at BIT Mesra. Since then, Nitin Nabin has remained unbeaten in every election that he has fought. Live visuals coming in, senior leaders are now joining Nitin Nabin for his big day as he assumes charge as the BJP president. Nitin Nabin do have big shoes to fill in. He's succeeding JP Nadda. Before that, Amit Shah was the national president, and before him, Nitin Gadkari had taken the charge for the BJP. Nitin Nabin has remained unbeaten in every election that he has fought, first winning from Patna West and later from Bankipur after delimitation. He has also served as the minister in the Nitish Kumar government, handling key portfolio including road, urban development, housing and law and justice. My colleague Sabyasachi is there at the moment. Let's take a look at his report.
Checks have been cleared for Nitin Nabin to take charge as the 12th BJP national president, and this is the scenes outside the BJP headquarters in the national capital. You can see it is early morning, but the celebrations have already begun. Now Nitin Nabin will be the youngest BJP national president to be appointed. Now Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with top union ministers will be present at the BJP national office today here in the national capital, when Nitin Nabin will be formally taking charge as the BJP president, and you can see that the celebrations are on. Now yesterday the nomination was being filed and 37 set of nominations have been filed in favor of Nitin Nabin, 36 from various State Council and National Council and one from the Parliamentary. So right now, the large number of BJP supporters are heading towards the national headquarters here in the national capital. Now Nitin Naveen will be taking charge as the BJP national president along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi and along several other union ministers while he formally takes charge. With video journalist Rahul Singh, this is Sabyasachi Roy Chaudhary for News 9.